What's up guys, thanks for tuning into the channel. So today we are going to be checking probably one of the biggest Corvette meetups in the summer here in the DFW area. There's going to be probably over 200 Corvettes there. I'm excited. I'm going to be hanging out with some of my buddies there. So we're going to check that out, and we're going to keep on testing out this new camera rig that I'm starting to fine tune more and more, and I'll have a future video all talking about that. So with that being said, let's get on the road and head it over there. Alright guys, so we have arrived and there are a ton of Corvettes here, but in particular we're going to start with something that's really cool. So hold on, check this out. So all these red Corvettes here are actually owned by one owner. He got all of his buddies to come, and these are all, he's got pretty much almost every single generation from C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, and then C8. It is ridiculous. This is one of the coolest collections of Corvettes that I've ever seen, and they're all a beautiful sort of red that I absolutely love. And So it's actually kind of cool. We're kind of leading to a really cool video that we're going to do in a few months, that we're going to look at all these different Corvettes. These are all owned by my buddy Mike, and it is just, they are just so gorgeous. So that'll be a cool video. We're going to talk all about these Corvettes, take a ride in each one back to back, so you can get kind of a good feeling of every single different one. So I'm really looking forward to that video. This is going to be awesome. But the fact that he brought this out, all these different red Corvettes, I mean, it's so cool. Like, you don't see this every day. I mean, yeah, you'll see a whole bunch of different Corvettes, all different generations, but one owner, that's pretty special. So really cool. So alrighty, so let's take a look at some of these other Corvettes here. And actually, no, we're going to change our mood right here real quick to the man of the hour that just got his new E-Ray, gorgeous E-Ray. So this is Mike from Brink of Speed. You probably know him way more than you know me, kind of deal. So, like,
you guys should go check out the E-Ray right over there.
It's right over there. I'm making my way over there, but
right.
Yeah. Have you seen other Mike's all these red Corvettes here? They're all owned by one dude.
Really?
Whoa. All owned by one dude. Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah,
he just has a bunch of people drive them.
Yeah, he had a whole bunch of people drive them, and he brought.
Starts here and goes over.
It starts here and goes all the way over. Nice. So he's got everything from C8 to C3. It's so cool.
I'm gonna have to check those out.
Yeah, no, it's really cool. So
that's amazing.
So how's the new E-Ray?
Love it, man.
Yeah. So it's like, I saw you had like a check engine light though. That's a little interesting.
It's a little bit of a bummer, but I think we'll work it out on Monday.
Yeah, so it's still just getting figured out and still has it on there or whatnot?
I mean, it says take it in within 7 days, so I'm driving
okay.
So I'm not worried about it.
Okay, yeah, that works. Hey, it's all new tech, that's why it happens and kind of deal. But
yeah, there's double the amount of things for you to worry about with an E-Ray. So.
Oh yeah, especially with all the electronics and stuff like that. How you doing, Mark? I didn't even. I was like, I got like starstruck. I was like, oh, that's my like kind of deal. I haven't even checked that out. All right, but we'll talk later though, man.
All right,
yeah,
good,
take
man.
it easy.
Take care.
So yeah, so that was Mike from Brink of Speed. So yeah, he's an awesome guy. He just got a new E-Ray, and so we'll check that out in a little bit. Really cool car. Kind of deal. It sounds so futuristic, especially when you hear those electric motors working. Sounds great. So anyway, let's get back to some of these cars here. So check out this C8 Corvette. It's I think their handle is Mr. XC. It's really cool how they've done the design of the vinyl on the side here. It looks really nice. And then you have actually, I don't know if it's getting captured in the camera, you can actually see lettering just kind of in a very faint look right here, and it's really cool actually. Probably is not getting captured by the camera really well, but very cool. And then you got a bunch of cool C8 Corvettes, and I think right here is actually another E-Ray. So they're actually coming out of the woodworks finally. It took a second to get to this point, but they are starting to come out of Bowling Green, and they do look really nice. Yeah, very cool in regards to that. Love the interior. The interior of this with the blue, it actually just works really well, even with, especially with the blue stitching. It looks really nice. Really cool spec on this car. Very cool. Guy just got it. It's brand spanking new. Super nice car. Let's check out some of these other Corvettes here. So again, you have some beautiful C4s, C5s, and C6 and C7s, and then obviously C8s. You have this beautiful amplified orange C8 with a little bit of carbon fiber work, but the vertical door is kind of like how mine are. So very well done. And even some cool C7s over here with some really nice line work in regards to extra vinyl, cool designs. Check out this C8. It's got the Forgiato wheels that are custom colored, and it looks really cool. And also this orange and black carbon fiber is really cool in this front area. Definitely like that, and also the Paragon LED front lights like how it has on my C8. So really nice. Just overall really tastefully done. It's kind of funny, like orange and blue you wouldn't think would match really well, but honestly the way this owner's done it, It's actually kind of tasteful. I like it. It's just different. You don't see that kind of interior. And then the engine bay, pretty cool engine bay, keeping it simple and classy. I like it. And we're basically about to get to C8 Z06 row. But before we do that, check this out, guys. This beautiful C1 Corvette here. It is a 1962 I was saying C8 Corvette's like, no, 61, C1 Corvette. I can't talk today. But check this out, guys. This is beautiful work in regards to this Corvette. Gotta love the classics. I mean, the lines on this car are just so nice. You can definitely appreciate this kind of Corvette. Is absolutely beautiful. And this is where it all started, with the C1 Corvette. So really nice. That's all right. So moving on to Z06 C8 row and E-Rays. There's a couple of E-Rays here, but look, check out all these Z06s. There's probably a good 8 or 9 Z06s at this point, which is kind of crazy to think about, that there's so many Z06s at this point, kind of deal. How you doing, buddy?
Good, man.
Good.
I saw that video about the seat thing.
Oh yeah. Check out the seat. Is like in that little corner. It just doesn't match really well.
Okay, I'll check it out in person.
Yeah. So alrighty, so looking at the next one we got here. I believe this is Darren's C8. No, this is an E-Ray. This is an E-Ray. What's that? Oh, this is Mike's new E-Ray. Yeah, that's right. I keep forgetting which color he got it. And
Darren was right there. I don't know where he went.
yeah, I was looking for Darren's car. I'm like, I saw him park here, and I was like, oh nope, I guess not. Yeah, all the way around. Yeah. So this is actually Mike's new C8 E-Ray that he got, and it's really nicely done. I mean, it is in that special gray that you see, the Seawolf gray. It's in that special Seawolf gray, and he's actually had it that the accent pieces are also colored in the Seawolf gray. So it's all Seawolf gray around, and it looks really nice. As an HTC Corvette, this is really cool. So congrats on the new E-Ray, Mike. This is really cool looking. No, I was just taking a little bit of video of just all the different Corvettes, but you got something.
Look, I know you were doing your real job, so I was just trying to jump in.
Oh yeah,
Get an aimless plug for our veterans.
Oh yeah, so by all means, go for it. So what do we got here?
I'm T with Vet Syndicate, and today we're doing this incredible event. I don't even know how many cars we got out, but
it's over 200 at least.
Yeah, I know.
Over 200. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, with both parking lots full in the street, we're probably looking at 250.
Yeah.
Maybe a little more. But we're actually doing vets for veterans, and we wanted to help out the vets that are struggling mentally, emotionally, some financially.
Oh yeah.
Of course, all of these beautiful cars out here, this is going to bring a crowd, but we wanted to come out here with a real purpose, and that's to give back to our community and the people who have given the most.
Hey,
to the
that's what's important, you know?
Absolutely.
That's what it comes all about. It's funny, I had someone comment, probably a hater or something, but a little while ago saying we all get together just to get together and we're all just self. No, there's more than just us getting together. We all get together for purposes, and this is one of them right here.
Yes, we want to make a difference. Because like I said, all the people here, these events are free. And the reality is all these people can afford to register and do all that thing. They have the money, but we'd rather see them give out of the goodness of their heart to come out
exactly.
And give to the less fortunate and the most pride. Because those veterans not going to ask for help. We got to go to them and find them. Because they're not going to ask for help.
No, they're not.
We just got to realize they're hurting. So we want to make a difference. And I thank my man here and his channel and you people for being a big part of what we're trying to do. So thank you so much.
Yeah.
God bless you guys and continue to help.
Yeah, you got a link or whatnot to?
Actually, because
I'll have something in the link if there's something there.
Because we're
definitely check out the description for a link if you want to help out.
Please.
As well.
because the Vet Syndicate is we're rebuilding our website, so I would love to send you there, but it's down right now.
Don't worry.
But he'll have the information.
Yeah, well, I'll have the information. Just check out the description. You know, if you want to help at it, every little bit helps. So
every bit.
That works out.
We'll take it all, brother.
Yeah, for sure, man. Well,
thank you so much.
Yeah,
God
for sure,
bless, brother.
Take it easy.
Enjoy the show.
Yeah. So I'll have something in the description below, so definitely check it out. Every little bit helps in regards to our veterans. That's one of the big things, especially why we all get out here, is to help the community wherever we can. So yeah, with that being said, let's get to a few more last bit of cars and then we'll wrap up this video. So the next car we got here, we have more Z06s on Z06 Road, but this blue Z06 here with the red interior, it just so cool. It is different than what you normally would see, and I definitely can appreciate that. I mean, check it out. I mean, it's one of those color combinations, honestly, you don't see that often. It's not the most common choice, but it kind of works. If you have that right kind of personality for it, I can dig it. It looks pretty cool. I honestly cannot wait to be able to get a Z06. I've been really eyeing a Z06 for myself, and I think we're about a few months away from pulling that kind of trigger. The market's in a good spot. I just got to take care of some personal finances, and yeah, so we might have a new platform to the channel. So a lot of really cool Corvettes here at this meetup. It is probably over 250, honestly. I said 200 conservatively before, but really cool setup. It's always a blast to see everybody that's actually come out to these events. Really cool, great sets of people. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please check out any of my other videos, and we'll see you next time. Take care, guys.